In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Lovable Watermark from website 2026, step by step. If you're using Lovable to build and host your site, you might notice a small Lovable badge or watermark appearing in the corner. It's helpful during development, but once you're ready to go live with a clean, professional look, you can hide it using a built-in setting. No code edits, no workarounds, just a quick change in your project settings. First, head to your Lovable dashboard and open the project where the badge is showing. This takes you into your project's workspace where you can manage everything related to your site. Make sure you're in the correct project, especially if you work across multiple sites or within a shared workspace. Next, open the main menu inside your project and choose Settings. Depending on your screen size, settings may appear in a sidebar or under a menu icon. If you don't see it right away, expand the navigation or scroll slightly. It's easy to overlook if you're focused on the editor. Inside Settings, switch to the Project Settings tab. This is where you'll watch configuration options that affect the way your site appears publicly. Give the page a moment to load fully so all toggles and save indicators are active. Look for the option labeled Hide Lovable Badge and turn it on. This toggle controls whether the Lovable watermark appears on your published site. The change usually saves automatically, but watch for a saved or checkmark indicator to confirm. If you see the toggle grayed out or you can't enable it, that means the feature isn't available on your current plan. In that case, you'll need to upgrade your plan to unlock badge removal. If you're part of a team, ensure you have the right permissions to change project settings. An owner or admin may need to make the switch for you. After enabling the toggle, wait a few seconds for Lovable to apply the change. Then, preview or open your live site to confirm the watermark is gone. If it still appears, give it a minute. Caching or a content delivery network can briefly show the older version. A hard refresh or viewing in a private window can help you see the update sooner. And that's it. You opened your project, navigated to settings, went into project settings, and enabled Hide Lovable Badge. Once the system accepts the change, your site will display without the Lovable watermark, giving you a clean, brand-forward presentation. Congratulations and enjoy your polished site.